Let's take it from the top. What is a journal article? No, it's not where you talk about the happenings of your day or secretly discuss who you have a crush on. A journal article is a published summary of often significant and meaningful scientific findings. The two types of journal articles either detail an experiment, called a research article, or are a brief recap of important happenings in a field, called a review article. A research article is just like a good heist movie. Okay, hear me out. They all usually have a similar structure. Let's break it down. First, the abstract. The abstract of a research article is like the description of a movie on the CD box, or favorite streaming service for all you youngsters out there. It's the first thing you look at to see whether the movie is going to be entertaining or a garbage waste of time. The abstract should tell you why the research is important by highlighting the most important findings of the report. It's a great place to look to see if what's inside is worth watching, reading. Next is the introduction. Just like every heist movie has that dumb scene where the wily thief is putting together a team by explaining why the jewel gold technology or whatever is important, the introduction provides the context and background needed to understand the research. We simply wouldn't care about what's getting heisted if it's not something important. Likewise, research needs to be impactful lest it goes unread. The methods section is the grand heist scheme. This is the very technical part of the movie and report that is responsible for all the action. This section reads almost like a recipe, describing each step the authors took in their experiment without much analysis, and describing each step our plucky team of knaves used to swindle the top secret codes, portal guns, 25 karat gold. Really, I'm just spitballing here. No need for a feature-length screenplay. Oh. We'll at least know more feature-length screenplays. The results section is like the scene where our beloved team of larcenists carry out their crime. While a viewer is on the edge of their seat wondering if they got away with it, the reader gets to decipher the major trends and findings from the experiment. Did it actually work? Did they dodge all those lasers? Can pluripotency really be induced by the Yamanaka factors? Was that a triple double cross? Lastly, the discussion section is like the aftermath scene, where our plucky bandits discuss how to split their winnings, and how the newfound winnings will impact their lives. It reminds the reader why the work is important, and where the field stands after their findings are made. We all want to know whether the heist allows that one character to escape poverty, cure their lover, feed their children, or whatever else. Just like the scientific readers want to know why a hyper-specific finding is applicable to the real world. Wow, I'm shocked I was actually able to make that analogy work. But research articles are not the only thing you'll find when looking for science. You'll also find review articles. These are exactly what they sound like. They review other articles that are relevant to their field. If a research article is a heist movie, then the review article is a heist movie review. They vary in structure and are usually much more approachable than research articles themselves. This is a great place to start if you're new to a field or looking to get a broad view of existing work. So, how can you tell the difference between a review article and a research article? Let's look at an article I found for a quick example. If the article doesn't blatantly say review in its name, websites will often have different sections for reviews and original research. I've subtly marked where this website mentions that this review article is a review, but if it isn't clear, you can always use Ctrl F or find the word, or just try glancing over the article itself. Hopefully this helps you on your science reading journey. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Or don't, I'm not begging or anything.